One.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're okay. I'm gonna stop that. Okay. Today I'm gonna be upgrading Blizzard as a noob to pro in Blocksters. Yeah.
Self control.
We're back. Sorry for that technical difficulties. Someone knocked on my door, so yeah, it was my mom. So, I guess we just start by getting Blizzard. Right? Should we start with that? You look so good when you do that. Okay. Hey yo, not that way. Okay, so I guess I just get
magma.
okay, I'll get you magma, but first I need Blizzard. So
Training.
RIP my
You see
Robux.
that magma?
Wait, hold up. RIP my Robux. Bye Robux. Bye Robux.
Oh shit.
Ah! I bought Blizzard.
I need my magma.
Okay, I'll give you magma.
Please don't say you have diamond. Okay. Please don't say you have love.
That's it. Yeah.
Good trade, guys.
OP trade, bro.
I think this is no magma's better. Whatever. I'll take.
No, magma sucks.
Magma, let me
Well,
find
diamond
it.
is way better than magma.
What does this button do?
What does that button do?
I already kind of awakened magma. So,
Yeah.
like, it's gonna be good.
Okay.
I disappeared into the abyss.
Blizzard.
Did you respawn the bosses? Oh shit, you're almost broke.
Okay.
Oh, let's kill a boss so we get mastery.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh shit, Captain Elephant, get the quest for money.
Where's the quest?
Wow, why can't I not hear you good?
I don't know, but where's his quest? Where's his quest?
It's like you're far away from your...
Just where's your quest?
I got you, idiot.
But we're, oh, you know, never mind. I'll just, yeah.
Monkey.
Wait, move real quick. I need to.
Where is this guy? Come here. Wow.
Snowflake Shuriken. I mean, this thingy. That thingy.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Oh, I forgot I had I said Zolkadar.
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 Coca-Car. Choke on a car.
Oh,
wait, what?
I'm a retard. How'd I... Fart. Fart. Right now. Fart. Yes. Fart everywhere. Fart in me.
Wait, what?
Come here, you monkey. Give me a drop. Give me a drop, even though I don't need it. Still, I want it.
Wait, let me hit him with my Blizzard, or else I'll get the mastery online.
The amount of damage this guy's taking.
Let me get my Blizzard. Stop it.
That's crazy. Yes. I did 30,000 damage in total. Come here. What, have a combo? Ryan, I have 50,000 damage and it's not losing. Hurry, do it. Thank God. Come on, this guy's almost dead. And it's for magma.
Hold up. Don't kill him real quick, please.
No, even...
Don't kill him real quick, please. Yeah. Okay, I killed him.
Blizzard up. That mastery.
Look at that Blizzard on the. Look at that master on the Blizzard. I mean.
Oh, your mastery is draining now. Holy shit, you were in the millions. I am in the thousands. 160. Damn.
I got tornado flight. This is OP. I heard.
But let's go fight Island Empress next.
Okay.
We're kind of skipping around.
Yeah.
Oh shit! I'm back at mansion. Boom. Let's go. Where are you? Wait. Get the quest. I need the quest. Hold up.
I need the quest.
I need cash. Okay, I'm broke. I have $312,000. Oh, let me get Island Empress. Damn, these are dropping a lot of cash. Come in. Attack! Holy shit! I just sniped her. She's really easy to kill.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna try that hard. Cause I want like look, homie, how are you almost dead? I barely even used any of my moves on her, and she's actually almost dead. Ow! Tell me. What do you
can block my tornado flight.
I think it's Island Empress.
Kilo Admiral.
Huh?
Kilo Admiral.
Ryan, stop, bro. You just made me. Where the hell did she go now? You just made me miss every single move. But
Not
that
my fault.
tornado fight pretty OP.
Yeah.
Except it's making me miss my moves. Holy contact! Oh shit!
Blizzard's
The?
OP.
Do a flip!
Do a flip.
Come on!
Do a flip. Bro, do a flip. Okay, I did a flip.
She did a flip. Let's go back to
Oh no! Bro, look at my mastery.
Oh hell no! Whoa! Can I have fruit now? I want to see it.
We're gonna
Hold
come
on,
out.
let me just clear my chest. My daily chest. Okay. And I have
Let's go big mom.
399,000.
Let's go, you know, it's big mom.
Just not enough. So when I get it, I'm angry.
Oh
I'll
my
take
god.
it. I'll take it.
Alright.
Beautiful pirate. Is there a quest for her?
Yeah.
I don't want it.
That's a him, I think. Yeah,
Can I
it's a
just
him.
kill her?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot I had mink. Peace, bro.
Oh yeah.
See, I'm waiting for you. Hey there, beautiful. Come here. Come here. You're so beautiful.
God, we did damage already.
Yo, she's really good. Yo, calm down with the snow blizzard, because I'm missing a lot of moves. I just miss like at least 5 moves when he was that shit. Yo, hold up. Stop! Wait! Boom, boom, boom. Bruh. Come here.
I'll let you get some hits on her.
Golly, homie, look at her. How, I just shot. That range is. What hit her? Are you taking a break right now?
Yeah.
I did not just see you take a break.
I'm eating pizza flavored goldfish.
You're almost dead?
Yeah. How am I the one almost dead when I'm not doing
you
anything?
take a break. I'll un-alley, but ban in the crew and kill you for no, I'm kidding. Come here, beautiful. Bro, you're making me miss my move. That was a soaring beast, homie. Holy shit. Ryan, I swear to God. When I'm using my move, don't use that. I was using a combo on her. That was fun. Alright, you got a combo. Whatever it is. Now my meteors. Get this, get that, take that. This. Oh shit. Golly, homie. I'm turning on observation again. I was using
I died.
no. Oh my god, this is why I hate that tornado move so much. You like it, but I hate it. Here you go. Come here. Oh shit, I got, holy shit. Get away. Get the hell away from me. Brave skill activated. Now I'm re-healing, homie. You think I'm trying to fight you right now? I'm on break. I can't fight right now. Hey, she stopped chasing me. I got her in the wall.
She got regen. She got regen. Go, 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 go. She got a regen. She got regen.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah, she's regen
Okay,
a little
she's
bit.
regen.
Right.
Cubby! I don't know why I missed all my shots.
Well, I wonder why. Oh my god, she does damage. Oh my god. She did like 5, 6, 7,000 damage.
God damn, holy shit, I'm not hold up. No breaks. I'm at 450 HP. Let me take a break, actually. Here.
Ah. She regenerating, by the way. Here. Okay.
I got this. We got this in the bag.
I'm sure about that, bro. Nom nom.
Just gotta read her moves. A lot of the times. Literally all the time, you gotta read her moves.
I think it's a him.
How have I not died yet? Holy shit.
Die!
How have I not died?
But you know what? Okay. You know what? You want me to use my soul guitar? I'll use my soul guitar. Die!
I've not even died. Oh, I just jinxed it. I died.
Oh, but you're not leaving me alone, are you? Oh God, I'm dead. Do
You
not
know, it
leave.
took me a
Do
while
not
to
leave a
die.
child. Do not leave a child alone. I'm gonna die.
I only died once. I died like 3 times.
Yeah.
Why did I just go to high driving? Stop! Bring me.
Ow, ow, ow. Help.
Oh, I never want to die again.
No one wants to die. What do you mean I never want to die again?
I said I don't. I didn't say I wanted.
I know.
Stupid.
Nobody wants to die. I mean,
Yeah,
emo
well,
people
shit.
want to die, but
You are.
I'll just beat that girl up.
Where the hell? Stop starting her flying! Holy shit! Let me hit her.
Oh
What
God,
the
I said her
hell?
flying. Did you see that? Oh no! I hate myself.
Oh.
I hate myself.
Nah, dude, tripping. Oh, it's crazy. Why did you so good turn last?
Um.
God damn.
Okay.
I mean,
I'll get over it. It's fine.
I mean,
Go to Cake Prince and what?
I ain't got anything to do with it, so I mean,
Yeah,
I'm
go
good.
to Big Mom, Cake Queen or whatever her name. Come here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Apple? Oh, you left. Oh nah. Okay, you left. Okay. Well, with no one to help me make part 2 coming soon. That's why I'm in the afternoon. That's why I'm Blizzard. I am a gold trigger.